How to use AI for maximum productivity in 2026. Most people use AI like a search engine. They ask vague questions. They get generic answers. Treat AI like a collaborator. AI performs best when you work with it, not when you treat it like Google. Give context, not one-line prompts. Vague inputs, vague outputs. Context, better results. Define constraints for better output. Tell AI the role to assume, the output format, the audience, the depth level. Better prompts equals better value. Explain cloud computing. Generic. Explain cloud computing to a finance executive in 5 bullet points with examples. Targeted value. Iteration is the productivity multiplier. Don't stop at the first response. Refine. Clarify. Improve. Integrate AI into real work. Use AI for research synthesis, summarizing documents, generating ideas, structuring reports, learning complex topics faster. AI accelerates thinking. IT doesn't replace IT. AI doesn't replace thinking. It accelerates structured thinking. The real differentiator: those who master prompt clarity and output refinement will outperform casual users.